everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome if you are new. So if you're wondering why I'm saying our channel even though there's no one else with me, it's because Nayab and I share this channel. So even though she's not currently with me, I still have to say our channel. So before we get into the video, I just want to explain a couple of things. So here's the thing. Nayab and I both have very different schedules. And we're not sisters, so since we don't live together, it's not possible for us to film together every week. So we've both decided that we would each have 1 week to film and upload a video. So we'll still get together sometimes to film a video, but it won't be every week. Anyway, let's talk about this video. This video is middle school tips and tricks. So this video is going to be in different places of my house, so you'll see 20 different places in my house for 20 different tips. So I'm not done with middle school yet, but I'm going into 8th grade. So in my opinion, I think 2 years of experience is still plenty. So if anything changes in the future, I could just make a new video and let you guys know. Anyway, let's get into it. Hey guys, okay, so disclaimer, I just want to say a couple of things. First of all, I just want to say that these tips can be different for everyone. Second of all, I just want to say before I get any comments, yes, all of these walls are in my house. And third of all, this is my second time filming the video, and as I was editing the first video, I was just thinking that this video is so boring, and it was just like the first video that Nayab and I filmed, and I was just thinking like it was really boring, so I had to refilm it. So just let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked the sitting down type of video, or if you liked this video, which was just a little more interactive and you guys could get to know me and my house a little bit better. So just let me know in the comments down below or email us using our website. So yeah. Number 1, 6th grade is a really big change for everyone. So just focus on yourself and be you, because if you're being someone you're not, then people are going to have misconceptions about who you are, and then no one's going to want to be friends with you because they don't know who the real you is. Number 2, know your school layout during orientation if you get your schedule, and if you get your schedule, just make sure you go to each one of your classes and just look at where your classes are, so during the first day of school, you will have less problems and you will get through the day easier. Tip number 3, school first, fun later. So if you have homework, but you also want to go hang out with your friends, just make sure you get your homework done first, and then you can go hang out with your friends. And if you don't have time to go hang out with your friends, that's completely okay, because grades do matter a little bit more than your social life, at least in middle school. Number 4, learn that it is okay to ask questions when necessary. And I learned this tip in the 3rd grade, so it made it a lot easier for me to go through the school years because I knew that asking questions was okay. And who knows, maybe you have a question and someone else does as well, but they're too afraid to ask, so indirectly you'd be helping them, and maybe if they come up and say thank you, then you guys could become really good friends, so who knows. Number 5, don't decorate your locker, because then you won't have room for stuff that's actually necessary. So just get a locker shelf, which is what I recommend, and don't put too many decorative things, because then you won't have room for your textbooks, backpacks, etc. So yeah. Number 6, even though it's pretty stupid, just follow the dress code. It's not that hard, guys. And if you want me to, I will make a separate video ranting about dress codes, because boy can I rant about them. But just follow the dress code. It's really not that hard, and I know most schools don't care too much. As long as you're not wearing spaghetti straps and booty shorts, I think you'll be fine. 7, don't be a meanie, because no one wants to be friends with a meanie, and then you're just not going to have that many friends, so just be nice and be yourself. Tip 8, it does not matter if you're popular. I'd say just have your own small friend group that you can count on, and if popularity is destined to happen, it will happen. But if you are popular, it still does not give you the card to be mean. So yeah. Studying does matter. I learned from hard experience that if you study, it does help when you're taking a test or quiz. For my school, we get 5 to 7 minutes before a test or quiz to study, and that really helps. So if you're part of like student council or something at your school, I would definitely say to bring that up because it really helps. 10. Don't be a troublemaker. It'll just ruin your year, and it'll make your teachers give bad messages to your future teachers. So it just ruins your entire future, and you really don't want that. Number 11. Be organized. It helps to get a planner or use one that the school provides because it helps to know when your assignments are due and when you have tests and quizzes or sports practices or events or something. So it just helps to have your day, week, and month planned. Some people go as far as planning their year, but I wouldn't recommend that. 12. Do homework the day it's due, and it's the same for assignments. Let's say you have a project that you have 1 week to do, and it's assigned on Monday. Make sure Monday through Thursday you get it done. So Friday you're completely ready and you can just do finishing touches or get ready to present. 13. Have a good morning and night routine, or at least just have a good morning routine, because if you have a schedule, then your mind will be working even before you get to school, so you'll be less tired at school. 14. Always have an emergency kit. So it's really important for you to be prepared. And if you're not, then definitely just go to the nurse, and I'm pretty sure they'll help you. But just try to have an emergency kit. It does really help. Tip number 15. Focus for all A's. The higher the better. Because I had a 89 last quarter, and it was really upsetting because I was off by that 1 point. And it was just really annoying. So if you focus for all A's, then you'll definitely have the all A's, or at least the grades that you want. Number 16, have good hygiene, because no one wants to hang out with someone who smells bad or someone who has bad breath. 17, don't focus on boys, because there will be a lot of time for dating and stuff later in life. But if you really like someone and you know that they like you back, it could be a boy or a girl, then go for it. I'm not gonna say anything about it, but you shouldn't focus on just boys because your grades are equally as important as your social life. Tip number 18, don't try to get into drama if it's not about you, because if the drama escalates and goes to the principal or teacher, then someone could get suspended and it could be you. And colleges and high schools definitely look at that type of stuff. So if you don't want your future to be completely ruined, just don't focus on drama unless it's about you. If it is about you, tell the person to back off. And if nothing happens, then you could definitely go to the teacher. But if someone's spreading rumors about someone else, don't try to get into it because there's absolutely no point. So, 19. When you first get into school, it may be with people that you don't know. So don't try to pick and choose your friends. Try to be friends with everyone, but if the friendship doesn't work out, know that it's completely okay, because at least you know that you tried. Lastly, tip number 20, just have fun, because this time in your life will go by so fast and you won't even know it. Like, these 2 years of middle school have gone by so fast, like, I cannot even explain it. It feels like yesterday I was graduating 5th grade, but now I'm going into 8th grade. So just have fun, because this is your time. And you don't want to look back and have any regrets that, like, oh, I wish I had done this or wish I hadn't done this. Just don't have any regrets and do whatever you can. Just don't do anything bad, obviously. But you don't want to have any regrets. That's what I'm trying to say. And just enjoy this time, because it's not going to come back. That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and comment down below any video ideas or suggestions that you have for us. And remember, next week is Nayab's week, so you will see her on Saturday, June 27th, 2020. Bye!